Deliberations take place today in the Sean Diddy Combs federal criminal trial. The jury was charged this morning after hearing closing arguments last week from both sides. Now, Combs is facing 5 federal counts, including racketeering and sex trafficking. He's pleaded not guilty to all charges against him and has maintained all sexual encounters were consensual. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest from outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan.
The jury is now deliberating behind closed doors in the federal criminal trial of Sean Diddy Combs. 8 men and 4 women ages 30 to 74 given the case after hearing instructions on the law from the judge. And now it'll be up to them to decide Combs' fate after hearing more than 6 weeks of testimony from 34 witnesses, which was often graphic, emotional, and sexually explicit. For 20 years, the defendant got away with his crimes. That ends in this courtroom, prosecutors said, urging jurors to find him guilty of all 5 counts of racketeering, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution. Prosecutors have tried to convince the jury Combs used his business as a criminal enterprise to lure and traffic women, arguing he relied on power, violence, and fear, plus his employees, to commit crimes. Combs did not testify. The defense admitted he could be violent, jealous, and a drug user, but argued the case is badly exaggerated, saying prosecutors charged threesomes as racketeering, and that women like Cassie Ventura may regret freak-offs now, but consented at the time because that was their, quote, lifestyle. Combs has pleaded not guilty and has said all sexual encounters were consensual. Federal attorneys said what we're talking about is being in a dark hotel room awake for days covered in oil, wearing 8-inch heels, having sex for hours, including with strangers. The idea that women chose that, prosecutors called ridiculous.
Now, if convicted, Sean Combs faces what amounts to life in prison. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.